Reinforce a simple tunnel using Allplan 2025's new feature, Place Bar Along Surface. Go to Reinforcement and choose the new feature, Place Bars Along Surface. Click to run it. Select the surfaces we want to reinforce. Click to select the surface, and the selected one is highlighted. We have the ability to select more than one surface. We have the ability to define parameters for the rebars in the left palette, such as change side to make the rebars inside the tunnel, change the number of pieces, diameter. And after defining all parameters, press the ESC button to create rebars. Okay, now create for another surface in the same way. After creating, we can also click on the reinforcement and modify it again. Click to select rebars inside. Change the diameter. What do you think about this new feature of Allplan 2025? Please let me know in the comments.